Hello, second graders, and we are going to see another way to do our addition. We're using partial sums to add three-digit numbers. Now, we have done this before, partial sums. Some people say, wow, this is the part that I really understand. Others say, well, I'm not exactly sure if this is the way that's the most comfortable for me. I'd rather do it another way. It's up to you. You get to decide how you want to do it, but I do want you to practice this and see if we can do it. All right. So our learning target is using partial sums to add. All right. There's the place for my name. I'm going to put it on there so everybody knows who did this work. Okay. If we were in the classroom, I would be telling you no name, no fame. You don't get famous for turning in papers that don't have your name on them. All right, so here we go. Hundreds. We're going to make. Oh, sorry, I went past there. Model each number. Make a quick sketch of your models. Then solve. 324 plus 215 equals question mark. All right, here we go. So let's make some models. My hundreds for 300 is going to look like this: 100. 200, 300. Remember, we've talked about how the 100 blocks of cubes is compressed into 10 rows of 10. So 300s, and then 24. So I have two sets of 10. And how many ones? That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here we go. So 300s, 2 10s, 4 1s. Now, let's look at this bottom number. It says 215. So 200s, 1, 2, 110, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. That's 200s, 110, 5 ones. To do partial sums, we are going to add the hundreds, we're going to add the tens, we're going to add the ones. And when we're doing partial sums, it's okay to not do ones first, but I like to start there. 4 plus 5 is 9. 2 plus 1 more is 3 sets of 10, so that's 30. And 3 hundreds plus 2 hundreds is 5 hundreds. I have 539. So 324 plus 215 equals 539. All right, turn over to page 424. And let's take a look at this. We have 425 plus 268. And we have the rows, right? Rows go side to side. This is my row of hundreds. This is my row of tens. This is my row of ones. When we're all done filling all of this in, that's when we add all of these to get our answer. So 400 plus 200 is 600. 2 tens plus 6 tens, 20 plus 60 is 80. And 5 plus 8 equals 5 plus 8 in this row equals 13. And 13 has 3 ones and 1 10. So we want to make sure that we put them in the right columns. 0 plus 3 equals 3. 0 plus 8 plus 1 is 9. 6 plus nothing else is 6. Just like that. All right, let's take a look at this. 236 plus 359. Oops, didn't mean to move that for you. There we go. I'm going to do my hundreds. I have 200s plus 300s. What does that make? That makes 5 hundreds. Then I add my tens. I have 3 tens plus 5 tens. That's 8 tens. I want to make sure that I put that in the right spot. 8 tens is 80. 5 hundreds is 500. And my ones. 6 ones plus 9 ones equals 15 ones. So I'm going to put my 10 here and my ones there. And then all you have to do is add. 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 8 plus 1 is 9. 5 plus nothing else is 5. That's it. Once we've added them up and put all of these numbers down here, we do not have to look at those. Now we're just adding up these, and we're trying to make it easier for us to add down here. All right, 582 plus 173. Let's see if we can do this as easily as possible. 500 plus 100 equals 6 hundreds. 8 tens plus 7 tens. 8 tens plus 7 tens. 8 plus 7 is a near double. That's 7 plus 7 is 14 plus 1 more than 7 is 15. I have 15 tens. I'm going to add the set of 10 tens. That makes another 100. So I'll put it over here. And they're tens, so I have 0 here, right? 80 plus 70 is 150. 15 tens. And then I add my ones. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. 6 plus 1 is 7. So we have 582 plus 173 equals 755. All right, here we go. Let's take another look at this. 364 plus 432. Now, you can do it like this. You can say 300 plus 400 is 700. 6 tens plus 3 tens is 9 tens. 4 plus 2 is 6. When I add them up, 6, 9, 7. 796. Okay? Let's do another one the same way. I have 454 plus 488. 400s plus 400s equals 8 hundreds. 5 tens plus 8 tens is 13 tens, right? 13 tens is the same as 130. So I'll put that here. The 3 and then the 10 sets of 10 go over here to make another 100. Plus 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. So my 1 from 12, my ones are going to go here, and the 10 is going to come right down here. So 800 plus 130 plus 12. 0 plus 0 plus 2. 0 plus 3 plus 1 is 4. 8 plus 1 more is 9. 942. All right. If this is making you confused, you can go back to what your parents are showing you. If they're showing you a different way, you can just say 5 plus 1, 4 plus 4, 1 plus 3, and get the answer that way. But if you want to try to learn all of these ways, this is how we're going to do this one. 145 plus 341. 100 plus 300 is 400. 4 tens plus 4 tens, that's a double. 8 tens, 80. 5 ones plus 1 1, 6 ones. And then I add them all up. 0 plus 0 plus 6, 6. 0 plus 8, 8. 4 plus nothing else, 4. All right, let's do this one. 576 plus 248. 500s plus 200s equals 700s. 7 tens plus 4 more tens makes 11 tens. 11 tens. 10 has a 0 at the end. 11 tens, 110. And 6 ones plus 8 ones equals 14 ones. My 4 goes here. The 1 is right next to it. All right. And then I add them up. 0 plus 0 plus 4. See how this is a little bit easier because I don't have a bunch of numbers being added up. I have a 0 and a 0 and then 4. And I know what that is. I have a 0 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is a double. And I know that's 2. 7 plus 1 equals 8. This is in the hundreds place, so it's 800. This is in the tens place, so it's 20. This is in the ones place, so it's 4. 824. There you go. See how we can add these partial sums in order to get our answers. Here we go. Let's do another one. It says 217 plus 435. Let's add my hundreds. 200s plus 400s, 600s. 110 plus 3 more tens is 4 tens. And when I'm saying 4 tens, boys and girls, I'm saying 10, 20, 30, 40. Right? When I have 4 tens, I know that equals 40. Then I have 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. And when I add that up, this plus this plus this, good. What's this plus this? You were right. And this plus nothing is this. You got it? Excellent. All right, let's try to finish this row. And again, like yesterday, if we don't get there, I would like you to do pages 427 and 428. Let's keep working. 532 plus 129. Let's add the hundreds. 500s plus 100, 6 hundreds. 3 tens plus 2 tens equals 5 tens. 2 ones plus 9 ones equals 11 ones. 11. Make sure that your 10 goes to the tens column. All right. This plus this plus this, 1. This plus this plus this, 6. This plus this, 6. I know that you are getting these answers faster than I am. All right. 651 plus 237. Let's see. Hundreds. 6 plus 2, 8 hundreds. 5 plus 3, tens equals 8 tens. 1 plus 7, 8 ones. Let's add them up. This plus this plus this, 8. This plus this, 8. This plus nothing, 8. Well, isn't that fun? 888. All right, last one. Quickly. Let's do this standard. 9 plus 0, 9. 7 plus 3, 10. 1 plus 2, or 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 7 is 9. There you go. You get to decide. Have a great day.